Hey everybody, it's Maryanne. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Maryanne's Creative Mix. And I call it that because I try to do creative things, but I do a ton of different things. I do what strikes my fancy, and I hope that it strikes yours. I would love for you to follow along. If you haven't already subscribed, it would be great. I would appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free, and if you start watching my videos, you'll get notified by YouTube that I've uploaded a new one. Should you ring the bell, as they call it. It's down below there somewhere, over. I'm not sure. I'm looking forward and hoping that you will follow me. I've done cards in the past, and I have some baking for this year, 2022. I've done a few things with my grandma's cookbook, and I hope that you'll join me. So I'll see you in the next one. Okay? Take care. Bye.